All right, but before we do this, I think we should have somebody prove to us that it's paper. Does anybody want to come up here and make sure that we're actually using paper? Yeah, you right there. Come on up. Touch it. Tell everyone that it is paper. Is it paper? Yes. All right, so we're actually using paper. We're not tricking you guys. Real paper and real paper. All right. All right, so here we go. Good thing we got a backup. Get that. All right. So what's the point? The point is you can take a simple handheld tool and cut through some pretty cool things with just paper using physics. Thank you.
As you can see, our friends have found our trombone. It's a mixture between a drum and a trombone.
Anyways, before we get going with talking about how it actually works and the physics behind it, we're going to go ahead and tell you guys about how we built it. Other than the leaf blower, of course, this whole setup probably costs about like $30, so it's really kind of cheap actually. Anyways, we have a big particle board here, which you can't really see because it's covered by tarp that we purchased. Thank you. Alright, particle board. Here's the tarp. We had a lot of duct tape, we had a leaf blower, of course, and anyways, what we ended up doing was our main goal was to use the leaf blower to push air through the bottom of the hovercraft to make an air pocket. So we drilled a hole over here, we plugged in the leaf blower, we sealed it all up nice and tight with duct tape so the air could get out. We took a circular cut of tarp, wrapped it around, duct taped it all up nice and sound. No air leaks out over here either, and that's what stores all the air. And now let's look at the bottom.
Alright, so as you can see from the bottom view, we have 6 holes we cut in the tarp, which acts as the skirt of the hovercraft. And these holes allow for airflow, so as air is sucked in through the leaf blower and trapped between the particle board and the skirt, that's where they can come out. Also, in between these 6 holes, you'll see a small coffee can lid, which is anchored by a bolt. This bolt goes through the coffee can lid, through the tarp, all the way through the particle board and is anchored there as well. And the effect you get from anchoring the tarp to the hovercraft in the center and all the way around the hovercraft as well using the duct tape is that when it inflates, the shape it resembles as if you took a donut and cut it in half vertically.
And you guys are probably wondering why these holes are so small, and if you're not, I'm still going to tell you. But it actually deals with the equation that you see here on our shirts. P equals F over A, which stands for pressure equals force over area. This places an inverse relationship between area and pressure, which means the smaller the area, the greater the pressure. And that's why, since these are so small, the pressure is so great that it can overcome gravity.